Alright, so doing a little bit of experimentation. The caravan batteries are starting to get a bit low, and wife's just making a coffee, running the inverter. We've got Starlink on, all that sort of stuff. So the car was at 100%, so now I've come, turned it on, connected him up, and now we're charging the van from the car. 40 amps coming out. Let's see what it's pumping in at the van. Alright, we've got 33 amps coming in. That's also including solar on the roof. AC is connected and it's charging. I love Enerdrive. So with the Enerdrive set up in the car, we've got the Voyager system connected up to a 300 amp hour BTEC, and I've got a 180 watt Enerdrive panel there ready to go, but I haven't installed it because we've run everything we have out of the car. So we've got the 12 volt oven, got the fridge run full time with a freezer in it. We've run the air fryer sitting on the bench right here. We haven't needed it. The alternator puts it back up to 100% every time, even if we're staying for 5-6 days plus. So at this stage, we're going to put a boat on the roof anyway, so the panel will probably get shaded, so the car pumps in more than enough. Okay, I'm back. So gone inside for a couple of hours, and I've just left it all charging. So we are nearly full. Like, we're still pumping in 40 amps. That is the inverter from the car and battery, and also the solar from the van. So we're looking pretty bloody good there. So let's go see how much we've taken out of the car. Don't know if you can see that, but we're still sitting at 74%. Ripping out 40 amps. So we could leave that on there for hours, be fully charged in the van and still have a fair bit left in here, so awesome.